How to delete your LinkedIn account permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your LinkedIn profile or close your LinkedIn account permanently. So to do that, first of all, make sure you are logged into your LinkedIn account. Now once you're logged in, if you're on your browser, you'll have to tap on the Me option, which is right over here. After that, a drop-down box will appear where you'll have to tap on the option Settings and Privacy. Now on the left side of the screen, you can see various options. There you'll have to tap on the first option, which is Account Preferences. After that, simply make sure you scroll all the way down to the bottom side of the screen until you see the option Close Account. Simply tap on it. Now, simply tap on the option Continue. Now, once you've done that, you'll have to choose the reason as to why you are closing your account. So, choose any one of these reasons, and if your reason is not here, tap on the option Other. Now, tap on the option Next. After that, you'll have to enter your password in order to close your account. So, if you know your password, simply enter it over here. But if you don't, you'll have to reset or change your password. Now, once you've entered your password, tap on the option Done. And there you have it. So that is basically how you close or delete your LinkedIn account permanently. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.